I propose to solve it this way. First, in one file, build a basic tile. You see just rectangular sketch with extrusion, adding fillets, creating cutout, convex cutout, and that's all. And save this file as master tile. Call it master tile. Then you can create new file, call it by number, say 2. Insert derive this master tile. Okay, and get the copy of your master tile in new file. Add a sketch. Unfortunately, you have to do it manually each time. Add number somewhere. 2. Same size, centered. Okay. Lock it to the center of the cutout. And extrude this number, joining with this body. Okay, so now you have this tile, and do this for each tile. Saving this. Okay, the good side is if you later need to change the shape of all tiles. For example, you want to add another fillet. You can edit master tile file for fillet. Add fillet, say half 6, half 8, .8. Save it again, and this change will present in all derived tiles. So if you will open 01, it will inform you what you have changed. Basic body, you can double click this sign to update it, and you have this change in each tile. That's about derive tiles from master tile. Next, about positioning them. So let's create another file, call it assembly, draw the sketch. And make the tiles 50 by 25. You can make your own size, and you can just use rectangular pattern for this shape. You can expand and place, say, 5 of them in this axis and 3 of them in this. You can use spacing, or you can use extend type of rectangular pattern. It depends on what you prefer. Say 60 and 30. 3 and spacing. Yeah. 5, it must be 35. same spacing. Right? And save this sketch. And now you can place all your existing tiles, inserting this design, each of them. Okay, and same for this one. Okay, and you can link each of them to those elements. Say joint snap point could be, I know it could be here, this point. Okay, and this tile to this point, and so this will place them in same pattern as you create in this sketch. If you later decide to change this pattern, you can just edit your sketch and edit your rectangular pattern, say make it tighter. Okay, finish sketch, and your tiles will follow the position of those rectangles. Exactly, you need only points. I make rectangles just to make it better visual. So I hope you got the idea how I see how you can solve it and make it easily editable file in which you can change the shape of tiles, you can change their distributions in the document for printing and so on.